Sa pagdiriwang ng Filipino Food Month 2026, idinaos ang isang tradisyonal na cookfest at coffee roasting event sa Benguet Provincial Capital Gym na may temang Connected by Taste, the Filipino and the Flavors of ASEAN. Lumahok ang 13 munisipalidad ng Benguet upang ipakita ang kanilang tradisyonal at makabagong lutuin, patunay ng mayamang kultura at likas-yamang agrikultural ng lalawigan. Layunin din na aktibidad na isulong ang lokal na agrikultura at palakasin ang industriya ng turismo ng Benguet.
This is just the beginning. So more and more, I think we can do this with communities because we also want to, it's also a way of parang inventory. We have to inventory what are the Benguet dishes ba? Baka hanggang kiniing lang ba tayo at pinikpikan? What else? I'm sure at Mupay Rumar. So it's part of our research strategy. Rumar mo lang data once we are doing it over and over. Agpa-contest tayo ni most unique siguro nga Benguet dish na with really a story from your lola or from your lolo, di ba? So that's the way to do it. So also to inspire innovation among the younger generation. No? So let's tell them about the importance of local cuisine. They encourage us to rediscover traditional recipes, use indigenous ingredients, and present them in ways that appeal to modern travelers. No? So we can make it appealing to the modern travelers, but yung authenticity is still there. No? So we should not lose the authenticity. Baka hang Benguet traditional food like that. It can be in a modern way of presentation, but it's still a Benguet traditional food. Mabalin mo din siya. The message is, may this traditional cook fest inspire pride in our heritage, creativity in our kitchens, and collaboration across our communities. Let's have more communities involved in this kind of endeavor or initiative. And together, let us continue to promote Benguet, not only as a destination of breathtaking landscapes, but also as a home of unforgettable flavors.
Ipinakita sa Cookfest ang malikhaing paghahanda ng lokal na sangkap. Itinanghal na kampiyon ang bayan ng Atok na nakatanggap ng 15,000 piso, sinundan ng Bacon bilang first runner-up na nakatanggap ng 12,000 piso at Itogon bilang second runner-up na nakatanggap ng 10,000 piso. Samantala tumanggap ng tig 8,000 pisong consolation prize ang iba pang 10 munisipalidad.
Expecting for the consolation prize, we did not expect the first place since hindi nga kami prepared. Super saya, super good kasi we represented our municipality. At least naka-champion kami this year. More like this siguro para sa mga mothers or young mothers like us, for us to be inspired also. And additionally for para po mag-boom yung tourism sa ating mga kanya-kanyang munisipyo.
Pinangunahan ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Benguet ang aktibidad katuwa ang DOT Cordillera Administrative Region bilang bahagi ng pagsusulong ng napapanatiling turismo, edukasyon at kultura. Nakiisa rin ang 22 mag-aaral mula sa Baitang 1 hanggang 3 ng La Trinidad Central School upang matutunan ang kahalagahan ng tradisyonal na pagluto ng kape.
With this, we are very much thankful that at least our learners experience hands-on and with the typical way of preparing coffee bean for our coffee products here in Benguet. And so a while back when we had talk with Sir, I said we hope that this is the only beginning and we are looking forward for more partnering. With this event, I hope that when they will come this coming June, this opening, they will share to their classmates their first-hand experience, and that we hope when they go back to their provinces with the coffee plantations of their grandparents, they will share with their grandparents. They will do the task of trying to prepare, to roast coffee.
Sa Sa pamamagitan ng pagkain, nabubuklod ang kultura, komunidad at ekonomiya. Ito ay patunay na ang lutuing Pilipino ay hindi lamang tradisyon kundi susi rin sa kaunlaran. PIA BSU intern Abigail Refuerzo para sa PIA News Cordillera.